Hey everybody, welcome back to the UIS. Today's video is another gun video. I am taking my AR-15 and temporarily converting it to a 22. Can you just imagine the amount of money saved firing 22 rounds as opposed to 5.56 NATO or 223, whichever, so much cheaper. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here we go. And we are back. I did not like how my last video turned out, so I rethought the workshop, moved some stuff around, mounted some stuff, got myself more room, as you can sort of see on the desk. I've got a couple of lights up here, but those can easily go away, and then I'll have nothing but the desk. So got my microphone up here, got my secondary Shure, so just switch inputs and there we go. And matter of fact, this workshop setup is probably not the best for this conversion. Me in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, that's going to be the money shot, I guess you'd say. So we're just going to switch over to that, a full screen of this right here. So here we go. All right, I think that is so much better. Now, I am going to have some time to get adjusted to the microphone. This is not my normal mic setup, so hopefully I won't make any clumsy, bumbling, knocking into the microphone any more than I normally do. So anyways, this is the CMMG 22 long rifle AR conversion kit. See right here. Comes with from the bolt, and it comes with 3 22 magazines that hold 25 rounds each. From the chatter I saw online about this, they recommend not forcing more than 20 rounds in it, so we'll see about that. Also, the only thing that's getting changed out today is this right here. But now, apparently, there are some issues with this conversion kit. Sometimes it can jam a lot, depending on how fast you shoot. They do make a charging handle, which is this right here, that's made just for this. And if I had known that when I purchased this, I would have saved myself a little bit of shipping, but I didn't. So it's on its way. But I'm sure it will get here long before I ever get a chance to take this out and shoot it. But for now, we're just going to open it up, take a look at everything, install it. All right, so this is the magazine. I'm sure it's mostly plastic, a very small spring, probably right about to there, probably with ammunition, 25 rounds, about right. This feels kind of hollow, right starting about here. In the back of the packaging, you've got the other 2 magazines. So that is it. There's more words and instructions and pieces of paper in this packaging than actual product. This is it. 3 magazines in this. So hopefully this is going to be a very simple video. So I've already pulled my pen. There we go. Make sure that everybody can see everything just fine. All right, so charging handles out. All right, so charging handle's been removed. The bolt carrier group for the AR-15 has been removed. Now, this feels dry as a bone. So before I shoot it, I'm definitely going to be lubing it up. So things are getting serious now, as you can see, the hair's in a ponytail. This would not fit. Then I realized this needs to come off. Obviously. Yeah. So things should go a lot smoother now. That's it. That's it. That's done. See here. Empty magazine. So as you can see there, it's locking it open because there are no rounds in it. I'm not going to put a round in it for the purpose of this video. Obviously, that's not very safe, being that I'm in the studio. So anyways, that's it. That's as much as I can do without firing the gun. I do plan on making another video. See here on my phone mount, handy dandy phone mount. We will be taking this out, testing it out with 22 ammunition. Good old time, not having to worry about spending all my money on ammo. So I look forward to that. I hope it works out. If you like the video, please let me know by leaving me a comment, liking the video. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Make sure to ring that bell. Receive all notifications of whenever I go live or release a new video. So until the next video, goodbye.